Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to share details about the bread. This is the best peep friend bone the base chain that is working, one of the most significant cultural icon and the mascot of base chain. You can easily check about bread in this video. This video is for education purpose. Do your research on. I'm going to share each and everything about the bread and their history. What is the reason for next to future financial freedom? So here you can check the contract address, so you can also import it, and you can also come to their DX2 for the chart details. Not only this, you can also come to official site to grab this opportunity to hold this token. For that, even you can also choose different cryptocurrency like Ethereum, BRED, or USDT. Here you can also put one Ethereum to grab the number of BRED in million of token. You can even check out there is also clicking on the connect option, then you will also choose the next path to swap it. Here you can also check that BRED is now available on all these type of exchange. Even you can also get their details too, like if we are going to open here to analyze the chart. I will also show you in a complete details. And not only this, I can also open it into the Bitmart too. Next, you can also check future trading. You can also get this token. BRED has been listed on the Binance Bitget Albank Femex. There is OX for fun and so on. Not only this, there is also a complete story behind this project, like Bet, the name of legendary character. And this is also mat-free, club, comic, and this is also a good friend for that. Now, this is also a character who loved the game. There is also became the mascot of Blue Chain. And you can even follow them on the social media links to like Twitter and Telegram. And there you can also get the tokenomics detail, how much is total number of token. You can also get their total number of tokens applied with the percentage here. So there you can also check 5% of total tokens supply has been already added to the CX wallet. And there you can also check liquidity pool have been logged for 1 year. BRED has some tutorial videos for YouTube too. Here you can also analyze to get some information about on the chain of PSC mean Binance Smart Chain. And there you can also find the strong partnership with growing ecosystem. There are the utilities. There are also many strong community support as well. Guys, if you need to contact their team, then contact at thebeastbread.com. You can also follow them on the social media links too. Now I'm going to share with you about their chart details. On the DEX tool, you can find BRED has been listed with Ethereum pair with their chart analysis tools. Like here is also chart, and here you can also get how it works. Actually, this is going to increase your SWOT. And there you can also get, here is already near about to 8,71,000 member already join. And here you will also check that there is also total market volume. $552 million. So this is also one of the best option. So here I think that this is also really awesome if you are going to find something really gem. On the KuCoin, you will also get the results as chart detailed with the recently price that is 0.05 per BRED with the USDT pair on the KuCoin. You can also explode for your best experience. I hope guys you have understand about all the details with 1,000 of followers, and the results of BRED. That is your next future. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.